Ketraco, in full, is Kenya Electricity Transmission Company. We are a state-owned corporation whose mandate is to plan, design, operate, and maintain high-voltage electricity transmission lines that form the backbone of our national grid. My main job and my core duties are just to enhance automation and promote innovation in the organization. Specific to the Ariba project, which we implemented last year, I co-led the project together with my counterpart, and we implemented the project SAP Ariba Cloud in 2 phases. Phase 1 being commerce automation and phase 2 being the sourcing suite. Our journey began in 2016. We had just implemented SAP ECC and adopted best practices wholesale, and we had done an entire ERP implementation. It was at a visit at SAP headquarters in Waldorf where we first heard of SAP Ariba. And at the time, our Kenyan counterparts in the public sector had been implementing SRM as the solution of choice for end-to-end procurement. It was during those conversations in Waldorf where we sat with different business executives and delved deeper into the benefits of SAP Ariba. Allow me to mention about 3 or so benefits that we were able to see by automating our processes in Ariba. Number 1, we were able to completely eliminate paper-based communication with the go-live of commerce automation. With this, our suppliers were able to receive their purchase orders, invoices, and all documents relating to procurement electronically in their inboxes, and they were able to interact with us via the Ariba portal. This enabled us to continue with more or less business as usual with our suppliers without having any physical contact. In addition, the electronic invoicing was a win-win for both us and the suppliers. And what do I mean by that? On one side, Ketraco was able to centralize its invoicing and be able to have one central repository where all invoices are received and packed into the system. And on the other side, the suppliers were able to track the status of their invoice and know what and when they're going to be paid. A second benefit that we accrued by automating our processes in Ariba was that we were able to manage and monitor our suppliers from a single point of view and have a 360-degree view of their performance, of their data, and all that they are interacting with Ketraco. Of importance was how the system was able to manage the special category of suppliers known as the AGPO group. These are the youth, women, and persons with disability. The system allowed us to continuously register this special group and categorize them in the system while giving them the opportunity to participate in bids as it is required by the PPOA Act. A third and final benefit that we accrued for automating our processes was that we were able to standardize our templates for contracts. This was done specifically by picking the information that was picked in the sourcing event, the tender, and automatically carried forward in the contracts module. Our system has been able to automate the entire process from procuring to contracts in one collaborative system. I can advise all organizations and all procurement heads to digitize their systems and move into an e-procurement platform. The benefits that Ketraco has accrued from digitizing with SAP Ariba are immense, and we've been able to see and reap off the benefits specifically during this pandemic period.